right here, so y'all can plant. Y'all can plant on top of that hill, that little hill dirt right there. I let my phone ran out of juice.
Yep, they do that. They do that.
Yeah. It ran out of juice. I should have had it plugged up.
I had to get a new one myself.
Mm-hmm.
My old one.
Yeah, I had to get me a new phone too, cause my old one went charged. Y'all got to go out there and get all that up. What? Get all that up off of his design. You want your house to look pretty. Your yard to look pretty.
And not look like someone took a dump in it.
You got a fingernail clipper?
No, she's the one that got the right.
Huh?
We do.
I already know that.
You got a fingernail clipper?
She literally got the, Maya literally got the one and a half cookies.
Goddamn kid.
What I'm saying, what I'm missing, bro? See what I'm saying, though? Man. Exactly. Man. No, for real. Exactly. See what I'm saying? Man. No, for real. Then my son down there looking happy, man. He got down a young man. No, for real. No, for real. This shit crazy, isn't it? Exactly. And then he think all the shit that I couldn't do. Yep. Exactly. You know how to be happy with the bitch. No, for real. Exactly. Because I was supposed to be the driver. I really was supposed to be the driver. I was supposed to be the driver. Right. Right. Right.